This is a brand that is made in the USA by Allied Air Enterprises, which is a part of Lennox International. The units are only sold through a factory-authorized dealer network, and the warranty on the units is only average when compared to other brands. The 4DHV models are single-zone heat pumps that are used with high-wall indoor units. They have a cooling efficiency of up to 21 SEER, and both the indoor and outdoor units are very quiet. They have a self-cleaning function for the indoor coil to prevent any odors or mildew, but it requires manual initiation from the remote control. The Follow Me function allows the remote control to act as a thermostat to control the room temperature. The remote features a sleep mode for energy savings as well as a turbo mode for quick heating or cooling. The 4DHP2 models are premium heat pumps with an efficiency of up to 25 SEER and the ability to serve up to 5 zones. They offer both ceiling cassette and high-wall indoor units with 3-speed operation and an occupancy sensing remote for energy savings. The indoor units are extremely quiet with a sound rating below that of a whisper. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HVAC Repair Guy Basic and Ultimate categories. For reviews of all of the brands and a head-to-head comparison tool, check out HvacRepairGuy.com and shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store. You can also get cash back on your HVAC purchases when you sign up for Rakuten. When you use the link, HVAC Repair Guy will earn a fee that costs you nothing, and you can get coupons for major discounts on all of your HVAC purchases.